How to sign into Uber. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can sign into our Uber account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you would like to sign into your Uber account, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Uber application here, whether it is Uber or Uber Eats, and you're gonna see this type of interface here where you can just tap the get started button. Now you can choose to log in with your phone number, or if you can't log in with your phone number, you can simply enter them here. You will get a verification code. But if your account is also linked with many of these social media, such as your Google account, your Apple ID, Facebook ID, or your email account, then you can also choose to log in with those by entering your email and then entering your password. Now in my case, my Uber account is linked with my Facebook account, my Google account, so I'll just select continue with Google, and I'll just go ahead and then confirm the changes, and once done, my Uber account will get successfully signed in. That's all it takes to sign into Uber. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.